National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Red Lake County in northwestern Minnesota, southeastern Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, central Beltrami County, southeastern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota, northern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 4:30 a.m. At 3:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooks, or 25 miles south of Thief River Falls, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Foston, Red Lake Falls, McIntosh, Clearbrook, Erskine, Red Lake, and Oakley. This replaces the previous warning for those areas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.